Welcome to the Food Psychology channel. We help you to keep your health in your hands by providing short informative videos. Want to know what does Ayurveda means and what can Ayurveda help with? Want to learn simple Ayurvedic foods and principles to improve health? The word Ayurveda translates to the science of life. It's a 5,000 years old traditional medicine that originated in India. Ayurveda believes in prevention and prescribes lifestyle and diet changes based on an individual's personality. According to Ayurveda, body, mind and consciousness work together in maintaining balance. When there is an imbalance in the body, disease occurs. Ayurveda focuses on improving natural defense systems in your body instead of focusing on symptoms and disease. Ayurveda generally uses diet restrictions, herbal medicines, treatments, yoga, and meditation to bring balance into your life. So Ayurveda can be used as a complementary system of healing to make a person stronger physically and mentally. Now let's look at some simple principles to learn from Ayurveda to improve long-term health. Tip 1. Ayurveda strongly believes that the food you eat can heal you or cause disease. Hence, understanding and paying attention to what you eat is the first step. Tip 2. Ayurveda believes that undigested food that stays in your body leads to illness. Drinking water early in the morning is highly recommended to remove the toxins from the body. Tip 3. Ayurveda tries to improve your digestive fire. Grated fresh ginger, rock salt, clarified butter or ghee, are all used to improve digestion. Spices such as cumin, turmeric, black pepper, cardamom are also used widely to improve digestion. If you want to learn about similar topics, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell to see new videos. Please like and share the video on social media. Tip 4. Iced drinks during meals are believed to slow down digestion. Small sips of warm water during meals aid digestion and absorption of food. Tip 5. Proper chewing and eating without any distractions aid the digestion process. Hence, being present and mindful when eating is a must. Tip 6. Digestive fire is high in your body when there is sunlight. Hence, all meals should finish between sunrise and sunset. Tip 7. Eating after sunset is prohibited as it leads to indigestion. Milk or buttermilk are only allowed meals after sunset as they help with digestion and sleep. Tip 8. Food combinations are very important in the Ayurvedic diet. Fruit should not be eaten with any other food, especially milk. Eggs and milk are considered as a bad combination. Cooked honey is considered as poison. Tip 9. Eating local and seasonal food which is freshly prepared is considered as the best cure for any disease. Food is supposed to be eaten within 3 hours from the time it is cooked. Local and seasonal food are generally cheap and can be found in local shops. Tip 10. Red meat and processed food is discouraged because they slow down or disturb good digestion. Please comment which is the most important tip you can learn from the Ayurvedic diet. Chewing food. No distractions while eating. Eating meals before sunset. Eating local, seasonal, fresh food. Eating food that improves digestion. Drinking water early in the morning. Drinking warm water instead of cold water with meals. Knowledge is power, so take tiny steps each day for holistic changes. Take care of your body by understanding what you are putting into it. Please comment, do you like Ayurvedic eating tips? Was the video useful? Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to see new videos. Remember that your health is the most important asset in your life. Money cannot buy health all the time. Do not keep your health in others' hands. Follow us on social media. Check the video description to find links. Thanks for watching.